This is a review of the MARBERO Portable Charger. This is a 10,000 mAh. It's a mini power bank that comes with a USB-C and then also a USB-A adapter. So it's two ways, and it's a fast charging battery and pretty much a small compact size, a portable charger that you could carry around with you that I'm going to be doing a review about. And we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package, and pretty much from there test this product out to see whether or not if this thing is worth it. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything unboxed, and pretty much from there, you see the instruction manual guide that comes with, to pretty much for the if you get stuck or anything like that, it comes with that. And it comes over here, the power bank itself. So I'm gonna take this out and then pretty much set this to the side. And this is the USB-C and then USB-A adapter. So there's two ways to do it. So if you own any type of iPad or pretty much an iPhone or pretty much anything that's a USB-C, pretty much use that for USB-C, and then USB-A, it goes for other types of accessories, or if you own a older iPhone, you can use it for that. But yeah, it comes with the cable and it comes with this. So I'm gonna take this thing out and show you guys how you exactly operate this. Okay, so before I, use this, I do want to say that the quality is really amazing. A small compact size, so you could pretty much put this in your pocket. You could pretty much put this everywhere if you're traveling. And right here, when you press the button right over here that it goes, I click on this button, it shows the battery life percentage. So it's 86%, and this does have a 10,000 mAh. So pretty much it's a long battery lifespan. So pretty much you can use this for quite a long time. And not just that, not for just traveling, but you could also use this too for emergency situations. So pretty much like if the lights go out wherever you live and you don't have any source of power, this could pretty much you could charge your phone in emergency situations. So this will definitely come in hand for that. And not just that, but you can also charge your, like I mentioned before, your iPad, your iPhone 16, your 15, your 14, your 13, your 12, and also from there. And pretty much Samsung is also, you can use this for as well too. So iOS and also Android, you can use it for both. And right from here now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this USB, plug it in, and pretty much get some sort like of my tablets and a phone to show you guys how well this thing performs. Okay, so this thing that I'm charging is a portable waist fan, and this thing right here, so pretty much if it gets hot wherever you live, then you can use this, and it pretty much gives air and all that stuff to that way you don't get hot. But you can see here that this product works really well, and you can see here that as I'm doing this, it's charging. You can see here that's saying 86%, and you can see here it's saying 24%, so that's how much it's remaining for the portable waist fan. But other than that, I absolutely would recommend this product if you're pretty much traveling and you have a lot of stuff with you, and pretty much you have like those accessories, like for example this portable waist fan, or you have your iPhone 15 or 16 or a Samsung Android or anything like that. So you can see here, not just that, but there's also a second one right over here, which is a USB-C adapter, and then the one I plugged in right now is a USB-A adapter. So if you have an iPhone or something like that, then use the USB-C adapter. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of how it, if you are pretty much in an emergency situation where lights went out and you don't have power, this thing would definitely come in hand. And not just that, if you're traveling, this would also come in hand. And if you don't, as you guys know, if you travel, there's not much sources to pretty much charge your accessories. This thing would definitely come into play and definitely help you out in that situation and scenario. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something that charges efficiently, fast, and pretty much portable, and is small, compact size, and super lightweight. Then this product from MARBERO is something I would definitely recommend to everyone, and I would definitely recommend this product.